running around Richmond Park. It's just about to go very autumnal and these leaves are going to fall off the trees, and the ground and all those rich microbes, the bacteria, the fungus, the parasites, and what are going to turn those leaves into nutrients for that next cycle of growth that this amazing park goes through. And it got me thinking about our own collection of microbes, what's called the microbiome, which is all the fungus, bacteria, parasites, viruses that are in us, around us and on us all the time. And the science is showing us that at a cellular level, when you kind of look down at the numbers, there's infinitely more of these than there are cells in the human body. We're talking trillions. So we are more microbes than we are human cells in the end. And what seems to be at play here in terms of this microbiome in relationship to our health is the more diverse this microbiome is, the more variety, the more flexibility there is in there, the healthier we're going to be. When we get stuck with one or two dominant types, then we can experience ill health. And when it comes to lifestyle disease, we know now that a certain group of bacteria and the collection of certain types of bacteria will always be present when someone has type 2 diabetes. So we're starting to see the early stages of reverse engineering the microbiome to help resolve diabetes. So my question is, I guess, what can we do to help our microbiome to be as rich and diverse and healthy as possible? And that comes down to things like prebiotics and probiotics. Now is a really good time of year to focus on those strategies. So what are you doing? What are you doing to look after your microbiome?